The question that we've been asked is, let's say I have a matter that I want to import and I have everything in my Excel spreadsheet. So I click on import, I choose a file, I see what time it is a conveyancer or some kind of fee, and I hit the upload button. Now it asks me to take action for everyone. It says like, hey, take an action here, take an action here. Can I just upload all of them and take the action at a single step? The answer is yes. Use this action button. You can just say action, add an event, and close this. Now you will see that all those 4 got added at the same time, and you can just hit the save button. So to summarize, when you go on the import button, right, and you actually load in your CSV and you've actually uploaded it, rather than going one by one and taking action on them, you can just go click on the action button and just do add, and it'll import all of them at the same time.